Welcome to KrispCall. Notifications can be helpful, but they can also be distracting. Let's learn how to manage them in KrispCall. Let's begin. First, log into your KrispCall account. Next, click on Settings and click Notifications. Here, you can customize your notification settings according to your preferences. You can choose to enable or disable notifications for SMS, missed calls, voicemail, and number chat. Simply toggle the options on or off based on what you want. You can also mute or enable the DND mode of the specific number on KrispCall. Select the desired phone number. Click the three-dot menu icon and choose Do Not Disturb. Set the duration according to your preference. Optionally activate DND for your entire workspace by setting yourself as away. You have the option to receive immediate email notifications for every call or message. You can enable or disable this feature too. Here is how. Choose the phone number you want to customize. Click on the three-dot menu icon next to the number. Click on Number Settings. Toggle on the option for email notifications to get email alerts. That's a wrap on managing your KrispCall workspace notifications. Contact our chat support for more information.